We are grateful for the sacrifices that it takes on everybody's part to make this a reality. This epidemic is unprecedented. You've made sacrifices that 2 weeks ago you would have thought impossible. We recognize people in all aspects of life, from our oil field workers, everyone involved in the industry, the way it's contracted, the way that you've curtailed what you're doing, from the teachers who can't go to the classes that they love, who stay home with the children, or who have to reach out to the children who are staying home and try to share education with them, to the parents who are trying to work jobs and educate your children and keep them busy and active in a day. We recognize the sacrifice of the restaurant owners, of the business owners, of people who have shuttered their doors to control the spread of this virus. We recognize the grocery store owners who are being inundated by people who are afraid and uncertain of the future. We recognize your increased hours and the things you do to provide us the things to keep us alive and to keep us safe. We're grateful for the first responders, for our police and our fire department, and the people who are in places that could be dangerous, for what you do to try to increase our safety in our community. This requires sacrifice of all of us, and will continue to do so. We as healthcare providers are also sacrificing. We have people who have given up their ways of living. We have healthcare workers who come every day to put themselves in harm's way as they care for those who are sick and most vulnerable. We have people who have shuttered themselves into extended care facilities to care for the most vulnerable populations in our community. We recognize that these sacrifices are unprecedented and enormous, and that they will continue. We ask you to continue to sacrifice with us. Wash your hands, keep your social distances, limit the groups that you're in, follow the rules of a quarantine when you're asked to do so. Do the things that we've asked to do so that we can protect our community and each other as we go forward.